Welcome you back to the most trusted tech channel, Talent Tech. Today, I brought you another vital Photoshop lesson. In Photoshop, the layer mask option behaves as one of the major features you will always have to use in your day-to-day project works. So, what is this layer mask and what is it used for? The layer mask is the option to hide in a part of a layer. Now you might be thinking, why layer mask when you can use the eraser tool? Then you are mistakenly understood it. When you hide a part from a layer by erasing it gets deleted permanently, so you can't undo it whenever you need in future. So now I'm going to show you a way of using this most useful tool with a little example. You can see the layer mask option here. My example will be showing you on how to place a flag as the cover photo of this book being held by hands. So we should ensure that it should be look like it's held by the hands hiding some parts from the model. So what I'm going to do now is opening the flag image on the top of the model layer. I rename this layer as the model layer just to show you clearly. Now I drag and drop the flag image on the top of this model layer. Now, I resize this flag with the free transform option. I make it cover the whole book area by right-clicking on the flag layer and choosing the wrap option. This wrap option allows you to wrap the element to the bottom layer by dragging anchor points where necessary. Now, I wrap it this way. I again zoom a bit and get more use of the wrap to wrap it fully. Now the wrap looks so fine. The next step is to get a duplicate of a model layer. For that, I do click on the model layer and press both Ctrl+J shortcut keys at the same time. Now I drag the duplicated model layer to the top of the flag layer. I will just rename the flag layer to flag like this. Now, you see, flag is covered by duplicated model. So what I am going to do now is hide the part of the model in the way that it shows back the flag icon beneath the duplicated model. For that, I click on the duplicated model layer and click on the layer mask option. Now I get the brush tool by pressing the B button in the keyboard. Make sure that the foreground color is black and background color is white. Now I brush and hide the book area from the duplicated model layer as it shows the flag layer underneath it. The primary function of the brush is hiding the layer when the foreground color is switched to the black and get the visibility back of hiding part of setting the foreground color to white. You can switch between foreground color by pressing X key on the keyboard. Now, I switch between foreground colors and do the necessary. You can zoom and do the hiding work too. Now everything is fine. See how quickly I could do it with the layer mask option? If I do with the eraser tool, I will not be able to get back the visibility of hiding parts. So, hope you understood the use of layer mask option in Photoshop. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to press the like button. Keep in touch with us on our new video releases by pressing both the subscribe and the bell icon too. Thank you for watching our video and staying in touch with us till the end of this video. Have a pleasant day. Goodbye.